Hi friends. Most of the people don't know this, but at the airports there's actually a way to skip long queues completely. And no, it's not just for celebrities, it's called fast track boarding, or sometimes fast track security. And if you have seen an almost separate empty line at the airport, that's it. While everyone else is waiting in the long queues for security or immigration, there are people walking straight through in minutes. So, what exactly is Fast Track? Fast Track is a priority lane system that allows you to move faster through airports processes like security checks, immigration, and sometimes even boarding. You're not skipping the checks, you're just skipping the queues. Now, here's the interesting part. In India, most people think this is only for business class passengers, but that's not entirely true. Yes, it is included for business class and first class passengers, frequent flyers with elite status, but many people don't know that. You can actually get access through premium credit cards, airline memberships, or sometimes by paying for it at the select airports. Which airports in India have fast track? Fast track services are available at several major airports, including Delhi IGI Airport, Mumbai CSMIA Airport, Bangalore, Kempegowda Airport, Hyderabad Airport, Chennai Airport, Kolkata Airport. At these airports, fast track lanes are usually available for security checks, immigration, especially international terminals. In some cases, you'll see it clearly marked as priority lane or fast track. Now let's talk about the real benefit. Time. During peak hours, security lanes can take 30 to 60 minutes. With fast track, it can drop to 5 to 10 minutes. That's the difference between rushing to your gate, casually walking in with your coffee in one hand. But here's something important. Fast track doesn't mean you can show up late. It just means you move faster once you're inside. So is it worth? I think it's only worth if you travel frequently, hate waiting the lines, or the short time, then yes, it's absolutely worth it. But if you're traveling early, light, and not in a rush, you might not need it every time. The point is, most people don't even know this option exists. And once you know it, you start traveling very differently. Next time you're at the airport, look around carefully. That empty line, that's not just for VIPs. You can go there too. If you found this useful, subscribe because this channel doesn't tell you what everyone knows, it tells you what people miss. See you in the next video.